Rosy Hardy Gardening. Today, going to look at Nepetas. Now, they look fantastic when they make such a lovely clump like this and they're rambling through the rows and everything else in this border. But there comes a time when you need to get them tidied up because you need to check that there isn't weed underneath there. Is it time to split them up? And we're coming into the autumn period. And yes, you can leave a bit of flower there for the pollinators. But do you know what? You need the plant to be healthy as well. So this has got straggly and overgrown. And you'll probably find this is either 1 or 2 plants. So therefore it's taking up a really large space in the border and you just need to get in there. And the other thing as well is underneath here you will find loads of slugs and snails, and that really is a huge problem because you don't want the slugs and snails living there in the rest of the time. That's great because if you uncover them, the birds have a great feast. So what we need to do with this, it's really easy. You just find where the plant is growing and you start cutting back, and you just literally get in there, and you can take some of the other plants out at the same time if they're in your way. And you know, it's great, and it'll be amazing to see how much ground you are going to uncover underneath this plant here. Okay, so we're just literally taking it off to just discover where the main bit of this plant is. This plant has been in here for a long time and has spread out, and it's really taking over. It is definitely in need of division. And the only way that you can get in there to divide it is if you get it cut back and go right down. And it's quite incredible to see how far it has actually spread. And you can see the edge of the grass here and where the plant is actually coming from. So I think this is just one plant. Let's get in here a bit more. So, you don't need to be tidy, you just need to get it all coming through. Nepeta smells beautiful as you're cutting it as well, so that's always something. And as I say, you've got plenty of other late season flowering plants in your garden that the bees and the late pollinators can nectar from, so do not worry about that at the moment. This is a task for actually getting this one up and ready so that you are able to lift it and split it. Someone who is a petrol head or someone who likes tools will suddenly go to you, why did you do that all by hand? You could have just strimmed over the top of it, which I probably could have done. But I wanted to see where things were. And also you never know if there's something nesting in here. And if you're using a power tool to do it, you know, it's not the same. It's noisy. Well, even the battery-powered ones are not that noisy, but you do end up with a much more satisfaction knowing that you have dealt with the plant by doing it by hand. And yeah, I was right. This is one big plant, and it's probably been in here 10, 12 years and not been divided up, which is fine, but it, you know, you really need to be rejuvenating these plants and then they will take over. It looks like something's been trying to bury itself in here, so it's an ideal place for the, you know, the odd rogue rabbit or vole or something to live underneath here. And you know, lifting it up and getting it out of here and making sure that the soil is all dug over and rejuvenated makes a huge difference. Here you see I've nearly finished the plant, but there's loads of it all grown up inside these other plants here, and there's actually quite a lot of length, so it takes quite a bit of time to clip it out and get it all cleaned off so that you end up with the sticks all there ready to be able to then lift the plant up and actually get it out of there and decide how to split it up. It's quite a long plant though, look, huge amount of growth all the way through, and then all of that I'm just pulling out, and you can see how far it's gone into the other plant material that is there. One big old plant ready for division. Lift it up, split it up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new plants. Here is the plant. Hopefully we'll be able to show you in another video how to lift it and divide it. Thank you very much for watching this video.